Hi guys, I'm going to show you real quick what it looks like to be able to text somebody in the system. So I'm going to look at a listing here, and we're going to go over there. And when you're looking at somebody else's aircraft or components listed, you can go ahead and chat with them right here, and you can actually go into the window and type your message. And you can send them a direct chat this way. Okay, now as the seller's logged in and potential buyer just sent them a chat, they'll see in their account dashboard area, there's a chat notification. So if we click on chat, you will see the message that was sent, wondering if this is still available. Let me know, and we'll reply here. And we can just reply and send that back. And when the sellers log back in, or if they're still online, they will see they just got a chat notification, and they can click on that, and we'll see the message that they just got received. And that's how simple chat is.